Yeah, Francis, that's a great question. And I think when we look at the foundation, I think over time we used to look at security being so separate from the other things inside of our IT stack. And over time, we've learned that that needed to be integrated. And so that foundation that we launched from was a really good foundation into COVID. We believe that at the core, you start security at the network layer. It's the biggest sensor that you have from a security standpoint. And so that foundation of what the network provider was already there, the security policies that were already in place, all really weathered the storm really well. I think we heard some other comments about bandwidth, about the edge being different. The edge is not another commercial building, it's somebody's home. And how do you ensure the security the whole way to that perimeter of somebody's home? And how do you get the bandwidths available? How do you get the tools? And we're fortunate at CenturyLink. We do a lot of relationships with the DoD and the civilian agencies at the state and local agencies. What we saw was nobody had built a solution or a system that was going to hold up when 100% of their workforce went home. And so we were immediately looking at bandwidth. We were looking at unified communication tools, things like that. But it all fit within inside the boundaries of those security policies that everybody's worked so hard to identify and put in place.